Yo guys, and I'm in another video. And today, whoever that was calling me, I love you and thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for 11 subscribers. Currently I'm on my Xbox playing Minecraft. So yeah. I'm Meeman! And me! Man!
Giving her perfect
That's what it
white
seems to
wedding
be.
is just the best.
Yeah.
Up to 3 shades white and white.
Yeah.
The traditional bride vacuum. It's designed
I don't know
to
much
be everywhere. But is there an easier way?
Let's go! I just did a front flip. Jesus. Sorry if I block you after you call me on my YouTube channel. You can text me though if you want. I don't mind you texting me. Whoa. Hold up. So, comment down below what you want to see me do in the next video. Peace. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Just because. Either Just Because or Just Because 20. I think it's Jasper. Yes, Just Because. Follow me on Instagram, and I will be giving a giveaway out in the next video. So follow me on Instagram, Just Because, and subscribe, leave a like. Peace.